Okay, this is to the Mpenjati Reserve. As you go in that way, go a bit further and okay, so we've got some steps up over there. There's some stairs, and way down in the distance is a viewing deck. This is to the reserve. Quite cool. You're gonna go closer. Check out this river that's been down with the high tide and all the wood on it. As my brother says, driftwood lover's paradise. My mother would go crazy, yeah. She loves driftwood. And further up there is to the reserve. I would go further up there, but there's a sign that says trespassers will be prosecuted. And I don't feel like getting prosecuted today. So let's not say we did. But it's quite cool, you gotta admit. I mean, that's all driftwood and that view of the Indian Ocean. How cool. Well, I'll walk a bit more and see you when I see you. I came out of here and I just had to stop and show you. My breath was taken away. That looks so amazing. Hi Dan, my brother. That looks so amazing. The beach is amazing, yeah. The view is stunning. Look at that. Out from the river mouth. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Beautiful, eh? Look how stunning it was. And there's a log in the sea. Beautiful, eh? Hi Dan, my brother. Very nice. How lovely is that? Walking down the Mpenjati River is just over here. Well, I'll take a walk closer and show you. This far, it's quite desolate and bare. We're like more than 2 kilometers from Trafalgar main beach. And this is quite desolate and barren. And over there is the Mpenjati River. Let's go up there. My footprints are the only footprints in the sand. Look, there's absolutely nothing around me. This beach over here, this far, it's just so wide. If I'm not mistaken, the nude beach is around here somewhere. And I can see why it's nude beach, because there's no one here. No one has been here for a while. There's no prints in the sand. It's pure tranquility. It's beautiful. One thing I love nature and I love clouds. And those clouds are so cool. Look how it's like an explosion of wisps. It's so awesome. It is really a lovely day out today. That sight is absolutely amazing. So stunning. Only a few clouds in the sky. The sun is beautiful and warm. The sand is stunning. Here we got the river. Let's do the river. We're at 1 o'clock. That's the river place. It goes out of here. Goes to the main area. Very cool. The heavy wind, but this is absolutely stunning. Amazing. Gorgeous, eh? I'm lost for words. I'm gonna take a walk up over there. I'm gonna see if I can get clear. I'm gonna take a walk up over there. I'm on my way there and I'm in the river Flovia. Oh, the water is so pure and it feels so good on my legs. I'm so sinking. We take a walk back. I'm up here now on the Vancouver in the river. See, the river goes there and exits the river. Way down in the distance up there, you can't see it, is the main road that crosses the river from Trafalgar, and that's a way, like 2.5 kilometers that way to the other place on the other side. I can't remember right now. That looks stunning. All this pristine, beautiful sand. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm lost for words. It's so beautiful. Well, I have to quickly come down to the sea, to the edge because I still want to be, and I know the salt water neutralizes the poison. So let's just soak my foot a bit. Also, look at the tree. Heading back to Trafalgar main beach. And here we go, made it back to the beautiful beach, Trafalgar Beach. That was quite an epic walk all the way down. I mean, we walked 4.5 k's, 4.5 kilometers to all the way down to the Mpenjati River and back. It's quite a good distance. That's why I call it a day. Cheers.